Welcome to Proven Math today. Today we're going to be learning about what to do when your x is negative, or when you have a negative coefficient in front of your x. So our problem right here is negative x plus 3 equals 4. So to start off, you get negative x alone. So the inverse of positive 3 is negative 3 or minus 3. And what you do on this side, you have to do on this side. And that gives you negative x equals 1. Because 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so it's kind of simple when you have a negative x. All you do is multiply, well, in this case, divide by negative 1. And you end up with x equals negative 1. Now, basically, here's the thing. You don't have to do this step right here. You don't have to divide by negative 1. If it's negative x equals a number, then all you gotta do is like, okay, if I divide by negative 1, it's just gonna be the inverse. So you just throw this sign over here, and you throw this sign over here. So that's basically what happened. And then this would be your answer. Now, if there was a, let's say, negative 2x plus 4 equals 8. Okay? So if you have this, you start off like usual, you get rid of the 4. So minus 4 on both sides. That gives you negative 2x equals 4. And then, so here's what I do. When I have a negative coefficient in front of my x, I divide both sides by negative 2. Now, dividing by negative 2 gets rid of that negative 2, which ultimately just leaves you with x. And then that will automatically switch the signs around, so this is negative 2. So it's really simple. And then this would be your answer. So again, like up here, when it's negative x, and then you have your, so negative x equals 1, just switch the signs. So give that negative to that number and give that positive to the x. And then that's what you have. And then down here, if you have a negative coefficient, so let's say negative 2x equals 4. So if you have a negative coefficient in x equals a number, just divide both sides by that negative coefficient. And that should be your answer. So thanks for watching. The questions, I'll just leave you one question. So question 1. This is to be the only one for today. Let's see. Negative 3x plus, should we do plus? Yeah. No, let's do minus 3 equals 6. So if you don't know, when you do answer the questions, please leave the answers in the comments below. But you don't have to, you can just answer them to yourself. So just put like Q1. In this case, you just put answer equals, because there's only one question. But if there's more than one question, just put Q1 equals, and then whatever it equals. Thank you, like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.